Welcome to Enlite. Here we are going to show you how to set up and install Enlite power monitoring system. These are a few simple steps. You can install Enlite power monitoring system in your electrical panel with a few simple steps. In this video, we will demonstrate how to safely install a power meter on a live electrical panel. List of equipment. Meter box consists of 3 orange-colored Rogowski coils, 4 black, red, yellow, blue colored voltage reference lines, an extension of these voltage reference lines with crocodile connectors. Power supply has red and black connection cables and their extension cable with crocodile connectors. There is also one gray communication cable, one gray power cable, one antenna with cable and a gateway box included in your kit. For the measurement of power, we need to have measurements of current and voltage. This coil, when wrapped around any cable carrying current, translates the actual current flowing through a line into a signal that is measurable by a power meter. The arrow indicator on the coil should be in the direction of the current flow. The voltage reference lines measure the corresponding voltage. Preparation of equipment. Connect the extension cables of power supply. Connect the power cable between power supply and gateway box. Connect the data cable between gateway box and meter box. Connect the antenna to gateway box. Now you are ready to install your power monitoring system. Safety precautions. It is recommended to use an electrician for the installation of this equipment. Place an insulating mat where the operator performing the installation will be standing during the activity on live electrical equipment. It is recommended to use rubber insulation gloves and leather gloves, face shield, dielectric shoes, safety glasses. It is recommended to wear an arc flash suit or flame-resistant clothing. If it's operationally acceptable, it is recommended to de-energize the connection point where the meter needs to be installed in order to minimize the electrical hazards. It is best practice to avoid doing work on live electrical equipment whenever possible. Installation of meter box. Open the LV panel. In any LV panel that carries 3-phase power, there are going to be 3 sets of cables and bus bars, usually marked in red, yellow, and blue color. In case a neutral exists, there will be 4th cable usually marked in black and labeled N. In this panel, we have 4 outgoing cables with each of them connected to 4 bus bars. The black arrow on Rogowski coils should point in the direction of the flow of the current. When installing Rogowski coils on each line, make sure each coil properly encloses all the runs of cables connected to that line, or alternatively that is properly connected to the right bus bar. In this installation, we place the coils around the bus bars. Connect the voltage reference lines with the crocodile clips to the conductor of the corresponding line. Black to neutral, red to L1, yellow to L2, and blue to L3. After connecting the clips on the live conductor, we just have to connect the plugs to the corresponding end connected to the meter box. Connect voltage reference lines to the meter box, each cable to the corresponding color. Your meter should turn on. Make sure that the meter is reading the voltage from each line. The buttons on your meter help you navigate between the display screens. The following parameters are the most important to check after the meter installation. Voltage for each phase in volts. Current for each phase in kiloamperes. Active power in kilowatts. Total active energy in kilowatt hours. The display screens can also show other parameters such as reactive and apparent power for each phase. The installation of the power meter is done. Place your meter box safely inside your electrical panel. At this point, the power meter can be safely connected to the gateway or other communication device. Installation of power supply and gateway box. Place your power supply. Connect voltage lines to the bus bars. Power supply and gateway box indicator lights should turn on. Connect the communication cable between the meter box and the gateway box. Place the antenna at a place that would maximize the coverage. System checks. You can double-check line-to-line or line-to-neutral voltages with a multimeter to compare and ensure that the readings are correct. Make sure that the meter is reading the voltage properly from each line with the right sign. Now your system is ready and reporting to the Enlite servers. Please get in contact with the Enlite technical team for any questions related to the installation.